Greetings to our viewers. Today it's Friday, 12 September 2025. Let's recap on our highlights of the week for the IFP. President Honorable Velenkosini Hlabisa officially declared that the 27th of August will be commemorated annually as Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi Day in honor of the party's late founder and statesman. On the same day, Honorable Hlabisa handed over a house to IFP member Nkosinathi Zulu from the Qibkowe area, KwaXeza. Zulu was involved in a bus accident while traveling to the party's election manifesto launch at Moses Mabhida Stadium in Durban. IFP chairperson in KwaZulu-Natal, Honorable Thami Ntuli, in his capacity as KZN Premier, led members of the Executive Council MSs to the Ugu District Municipality. This was part of the provincial government's ongoing commitment to service delivery through Operation Sokumasake. Zooming into our municipalities, IFP led Umsinga Municipality under the leadership of Honorable Mayor Councillor Dr. Felinkosi Skakane handed over two newly built houses to Nkala and Jali families in Ward 4. Meanwhile, IFP led Jozini Municipality under the leadership of Honorable Mayor Nkosinathi Myeni officially handed over 8 electric maize grinding machines to farmers and residents of Ward 15. This initiative will spare farmers from Ward 15 from having to travel across the border to Eswatini to process their maize. Going out of KwaZulu-Natal, MMC for Human Settlements at the City of Johannesburg, IFP's Mlungisi Black Rock Mabaso did an operation at Jumpers Informal Settlement in Region F of the City of Johannesburg. The purpose of the operation was to do the verification on the residents to establish who is documented and not documented, as there is a development on the pipeline. Sethembe, sisebenzela wena.